Confirm delivery on Aliexpress. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva here with another video. In this video, I'll show you how to confirm your Aliexpress delivery step by step. Enjoy videos like this? We have more related content on the channel. Subscribe, like, and I'll keep making helpful videos for you. Alright, let's confirm your delivery. In the app, once logged in, tap My Account at the bottom. My account and my orders show options like awaiting payment, shipping, shipped, add comments, and returns. Click on the Shipped option. Your orders will appear under Shipped. You'll see two options, Track Order or Confirm Delivery. If everything arrived correctly, just tap the red Confirm Delivery button. Select the product and tap Confirm Delivery below. You can leave a comment by clicking Review here and share your feedback. You can add photos of the product, write comments, and give it a rating here. The options are very inaccurate, neutral, accurate, and very accurate. Rate your satisfaction with the product, seller communication, and delivery speed. Click below to submit your review if you want to evaluate the received product. Got it, everyone? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. That's all for now. Take care and God bless. Thanks.